3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during Blazemail's Bay Day tournament. Today's challenger is no stranger to the Dragon King. They've faced multiple times during the Burst era and the PBBL final stage. During the Burst era, the Dragon King always gets the win during the challenges. Now he challenges the Dragon King in Beyblade X. One of the attack specialists in Beyblade, he's Mr. Rayan. Will Mr. Rayan beat the Dragon King this time on Beyblade X, or will the Dragon King retain his title? Stick around to find out. This is the Dragon deck that I'll be using on this challenge. Dran Buster with a 360 ratchet and a Rush bit. Wyvern Gale with a 380 ratchet and a Hexa bit. Dran Sword with a 960 ratchet and a flat bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge.
Mag-arrange ka pa?
Okay na ako.
Okay na ako. Dito na lang. Shobey.
Okay.
May tago. Taas mo konti dito. Yan. Ay, nag-chain pa tayo, no? Diyan ka talaga.
Ah, panalo ko eh.
Diyan ka pumili. Okay na.
Okay, Bladers ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Uy! Bagoy. Sheesh! Uy! Bagoy. Sheesh! 3-0.
Nalabas dahil na dalaw to eh.
Oo. Nag-iiba yung ano niya. Kaya dapat tinitake.
Malaga bang tinitake?
Mas maganda. Parang stage talaga.
Players ready. 3, 2, 1.
Lumabas ka na.
Makalabas ka.
Net taper.
Mayan. 4-0.
Ah! 1-0!
Hindi ko ulit tayo. Sige, babalik na rin ko na. Wait lang. Okay. First baler. Ano ratchet there?
560.
Tapos.
Points.
Players ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Dapat pala sa favorable ako. Ngayon.
Hexa.
Players ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ay,
2-1.
2-1. Ball yan, no?
Taper.
Players ready. 3, 2, 1, go. 5.
Let's go.
Players ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ano, 1-1. Dapat.
1-1. Sabayan na 1-1 ka ni David. Players ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Dragon Rush. Lagyan mo ng apoy-apoy yun ah.
0-3.
Wala na, talo na.
Russell pala neto. Pinakagawa mo. Pero kasi yung timbang kasi ng pati.
Players ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Uy! Uy!
Swerte.
Na 3-3 pa! Oh no! Ano ka kanina?
Hey, match point. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ay, kuya!
Wala na sa amin.
Yun nga lang.
KO. Isa pa.
Wala. Sayang yun. Sayang yun. Ilang pitik yun. Reset.
And that's game. The final standing is Dragon King 1, Mr. Rayan 2. It was a close match, but the Dragon King loses, and Mr. Rayan is your new Dragon King Challenge Champion. Grats! So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to Mr. Rayan, and I'll see you guys on the next video.